coming out on April Fool's Day, you never really know what is real and what is not, but it seems to be this is actually true. That Dean Wilson will be getting the fill-in ride for HRC for the last 5 rounds of Supercross. So that would not be this weekend at Foxborough, what would be starting next weekend at Philadelphia. And I will straight up say this. I thought this team was never going to do it. I thought they were not going to have a fill and ride. They just made a little PR video a couple weeks ago, well, multiple weeks ago now, just to make themselves look good. And you gotta say, in fun, typical Dean fashion on his tube, he posts a video where Grandpa Earl, went and stole, quote unquote, a HRC bike, did a good lap time, and they gave him a ride. It's kind of a fun way of doing it. It's a non-serious thing. Obviously, obviously, coming into the season with 5 rounds to go, there is absolutely no expectation to this. And so that's why it's even more surprising to me that they're doing it this late because there's nothing to gain from this. I mean, obviously, with only one of the two bikes, so not two riders filling it in. But for him, it's going to be awesome. I mean, granted, he's retired, semi-retired, whatever you want now, has had a really good run over in the UK, winning an Arena Cross championship. And we do have a quote from him saying this: "I'm just really excited and grateful for this opportunity. It certainly wasn't on my 2025 bingo card. It came through unfortunate circumstances with the Lawrence brothers getting injured. I was on the other side of the pond in the UK and I shot Lars a text saying I would be interested. I eventually got a call that would happen for the last 5. I've always wanted to ride this bike and be part of this team, so I kind of feel like a little kid again, to be honest, just over the moon. I'm thankful that Yara and Martin were very understanding." I think this is cool. I'm a big Dean Wilson fan. I think he's a really good personality in this sport. Sad that he's, had the injuries that he did. If he didn't, probably would be way more successful than he was. But I mean, this is cool for him. I mean, no expectations, obviously. Just get to come and ride a factory bike, factory team for the last 5 rounds. With how many injured riders there are, he might actually end up with some good results. I mean, who knows? Uh, it's kind of a fun little thing for them to do. And we do also have a quote from Brandon Wilson, the manager of racing and advertising at American Honda, saying, quote, "On behalf of American Honda, I'd like to welcome Dean Wilson to Honda HRC Progressive for the final part of AMA Supercross. Obviously, we've missed having the Lawrences racing out of our truck for much of the season, but we're happy to see them progressing and well and hope to have them back in the action soon. In the meantime, it will be great to have Dean Wilson showcasing the CRF 450R WE. I'd like to thank Yarav and Martin at Quadlock Honda for the flexibility in order to make this happen." So this is gonna be kind of cool. I mean, who knows where he's gonna fall, top 10, top 5. We're gonna kind of see. But for him, it's gonna be fun. Obviously, he gets to come ride a factory bike on a team with no expectations and just get to have some fun. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me. Are you excited about this? Are you a fan of Dean Wilson? How well do you think he does? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.